matter, elements, and atoms. What is your body made of? Your first thought might be that it is made up of different organs, such as your heart, lungs, and stomach, that work together to keep your body going. Or you might zoom in a level and say that your body is made up of many different types of cells. However, at the most basic level, your body, and, in fact, all of life, as well as the non-living world, is made up of atoms, often organized into larger structures called molecules. Atoms and molecules follow the rules of chemistry and physics, even when they're part of a complex, living, breathing being. So as an incredibly complex being made up of roughly 7 octillion atoms, you'll probably want to know some basic chemistry as you begin to explore the world of biology, and the world in general. Next capture, matter and elements. The term matter refers to anything that occupies space and has mass, in other words, the stuff that the universe is made of. Each element is designated by its chemical symbol, which is a single capital letter or, when the first letter is already taken by another element, a combination of 2 letters. The 4 elements common to all living organisms are oxygen, O, carbon, C, hydrogen, H, and nitrogen, N, which together make up about 96% of the human body. Next capture, the structure of the atom. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains all of the chemical properties of an element. For example, a gold coin is simply a very large number of gold atoms molded into the shape of a coin, with small amounts of other, contaminating elements. An atom consists of 2 regions. Hydrogen, H, is an exception because it typically has 1 proton and 1 electron, but no neutrons. Protons and neutrons do not have the same charge, but they do have approximately the same mass, about 1.67 times 10 to the power of minus 24 1.67 times 10 minus 24 1.67 times 10, start superscript, minus 24, in superscript grams. Protons, neutrons, and electrons are very small, and most of the volume of an atom, greater than 99%, is actually empty space.